My bitch, she clutch because she a nurse.
Whenever I'm down, she give me a perk. Police put up my gun in her purse.
I pull up with
I'm in this world and we looking for money.
Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Von, aka VonHylton, coming to y'all back with another video. As y'all see by the title and the thumbnail, I don't even know what the title and thumbnail gonna be. I ain't gonna lie to you. But Jordan done hit me up on a random Thursday afternoon at 3 o'clock. You feel me? He was like, yo. I'm like, yo, what's good? He's like, pull up. I'm like, all right, bro, what you got new this time? So he done got, oh, that challenge is hard. That's a Hellcat? All right. Hell Kitty. I'll put this in sport mode right now. Tighten up. You don't want to run it. Nah, I'm calm down. I'm calm down. But I'm pulling up on him right now. He's at the alignment shop. I told him I was gonna help him get some rollers. I don't got my camera on me. I did not expect this. I literally just came from the gym. You feel me? Protein shit's ate. I got my GoPro and the gimbal and stuff, but I don't got my cam. So right now I'm about to pull up on him and then see how his wheels look and stuff. I already know what wheels he got, so when I link with him, I'm gonna touch up like his specs and all that other stuff. And yeah, so if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you never miss when I upload. More bangers on the way, more parts on the way. Stay tuned for that. And y'all know the deal. I'm gonna pick up the cam when I'm with Jordan or the next day that happens. My boy got his wheels on. Hold on, let me wipe y'all off real quick. You looking like a show car for real now. I say you finally looking like a show car for real. You ain't fast guy no more. You looking like a show car for real. Shit look clean. Alright. Alright. Damn.
I seen it rolling for the first time.
The fitment. I ain't gonna lie, I can't see I can't wait for the finalized fitment. I wanna see what it look like. See if you got a finger gap, 2 finger gap. What you got right now?
I think I got like a finger gap in the front and 2 finger gap in the back.
2 in the back? So you can fit a bigger tire.
I could, but I'm not really sure.
What? Well, you gotta see after the, you gotta see after the sauce. After the sauce, you gotta see if you need that. Yeah. That does look hard though. So how is it? Oh, I see why you got the red now. You're a cornball. I'm like, why did you? But nah, it's making sense now. It's coming together. I see the vision. I see the vision. I see the vision. Reflective red. You don't leave that out. I'm getting reflective blue. That shit. Imagine police colors in the traffic. That shit gonna be hard. They go, what the fuck? Nah, them something real hard though. Watching y'all see it rolling. Clips coming soon. Clips coming soon. Let me see the fitment. Look. You got a slight camera in the back.
How did you put in the code for exit?
That boy car looking clean. All you needed was some wheels. That was it. Wheels definitely did it. Wheels definitely did it. I'm about to go get my wheels right now. I ain't gonna lie to you. Oh, nah, these hard. I'm messing with them. If y'all haven't seen my Q50, these are basically like the same wheels I had. I had FR4s and these are the CM2s. So these ones is like a little variation to it. But nah, this clean though. It's tucked too, fitment. Oh nah, this fitment tough.
That's really hard. I was thinking about going to face it.
Fitment tough.
Hello people. It looked hard. It looked hard. It looked hard. Yo, I saw you walking in. I'm like, oh shit, oh shit.
What you got?
Just got it on. Just got the alignment.
You really got mad bugs, bro. That's wild. That's wild. I was on that way too. Hey. Here in my garage.
Here in Robert's garage.
Here in the garage. Yeah, I need this. Yo, what happened to dog, bro? Sheesh.
You got the other bins.
Them full of bins.
Want to see more bins?
Yeah, more bins. A bins deal, I think.
I should have more bins. We got
More
the other
bins?
bins.
Other Benz.
Yo, they love Benz. We got the other Benz.
Rich guys over
Pina
here.
is missing and some other Benz.
Benz fun Benz.
And no Kit Kat.
No
Hey
Kit
guys, I
Kat.
sell insurance. If you need health insurance, link me.
No Kit Kat.
Video. Oh, damn, somebody in the BMW.
Yeah, the same truck.
Damn, that's no fun. Yo, traction is safe.
Yo, it would have
Traction
been.
control is like, hey, take your time.
He's like, slow down, slow down.
Let's avoid all of this traffic.
Yo, he said
Nah,
traction.
that's great, right?
No, he said
I'm
traction.
driving windows down or up.
Oh, we can go down. He said traction completely off.
Manual.
Yo!
Yo! I have no behavior. Yo! No behavior this car don't have.
Yo!
Especially in this weather, this car has no behavior.
Squiggly.
On cue so he can catch it on his camera.
I don't know. Yo!
Yo! I want to near get too wet.
Yo!
I don't want to near get
Yo!
wet.
Oh no!
She has no behavior, bro.
No! Yo!
She wild.
Yo! This was sliding like an M.
Let me tell you. She has no behavior, bro. I got the GoPro on it.
Yo!
Don't go work.
Yo, bruh, he was sliding it like an M.
Exactly.
Yo!
I mean, it says M1 right here, ain't it? She got no behavior.
Man, wildin'.
She got no behavior, Vaughn. When you should teach her some manners.
Yo.
And she's like, no, I'm just joking. No grip on here.
For real. Gosh. Yo. Spinning to what? 100?
Imagine how that shit look for a Q video, dog.
Yo, just sliding. Going,
I hope the camera is fixed.
you're going straight, but going sideways. Yo, fighting for dear life.
Luckily, it's raining, so we're not using up the tires. You see what I mean?
Yeah, facts. Yo,
'Cause
this man going
I'm
crazy.
actually checking if the camera record right. God, this shit lit.
Yo.
This shit actually funny, huh?
Yo.
This shit is super fun.
Yo, watch. Soon, I'm gonna get like that. Right now, it's just a little corner here and there. But soon, we're gonna do this.
Yep, my boy Vaughn gonna get it.
Soon.
He just gotta learn it. He just got the chassis. He's not used to the M chassis. He gotta get used to it first.
Yeah, so it's just a couple sideways turns here and there. But watch. Soon, take every corner. Sideways. Yo.
For real, bro. This shit nice. What the hell? From the first time I drove this, go watch that video. It's on his channel and mine. Go watch about that video. I liked it. From the first time in the dry.
That's
now
without.
it's wet.
That's without the
Got a
downpipe.
downpipe now. It sounds sick as frick.
So watch when we get the tune too. That's gonna be way crazy.
It's gonna be even more crazy. And then if you know what to do, it doesn't have to spin.
Yeah, facts.
This car is sick.
What do you call it? Clean.
Let's see Bobby, man. Them nimble.
Then nimble. Yo.
Take it through the corner, them dog. Take it through the corner.
He said, take it to the corner then.
Why not? You want step out that in right this She wants step out there.
Yeah? potholes. I want to spin out.
But we got her. Don't try what you see on camera, people. It's fake, okay?
For entertainment purposes only. Whoa! Yo! Yo!
Was it cute? You run that out of gun.
Yo! Yo!
Honestly,
oh
if this camera not looking good, I'm gonna be mad as fuck.
Yo! I ain't gonna lie, Q a horrible chase car. He's supposed to be getting all the action on the outside. Yo,
Just roll with me?
Grab up out. Hey. Hey, shit. Chala side shit.
Grab up out. Time, Robert drop
Out of here, a whole lot of kill.
Yo,
whole lot of drill.
never know it can do that. I ain't crazy.
Grab up out. This shit get crazy where I'm from. This shit get dangerous where I'm from. You ain't gon' make it where I'm from. You ain't gon' make it where I'm from. This shit get crazy where I'm from. This shit get dangerous where I'm from. You ain't gon' make it where I'm from. You ain't gon' make it where I'm from. Hey, been a savage since a jit. Never gave a fuck about a nigga or a bitch. Finna get duffled up, poking houses in the whip. I done find a new way, CVV was a zip. Good dope to the face, what you got, I need a zip. I be all on 24th, but I stay on 25th. From my dog across the way, yeah, he stay on 26. Got a dog down the fade, Glock hit chin shit. Dog went up the road, told that nigga slide right back. Now he up the road and he tryna get his life back. On your head, it's a fee, I ain't gotta pay a price tag. Dead in these streets if you play around with my cat. My name ain't Tyrese, I'm waist deep down in my bag. Better keep your heat, I know where my 4-5 at. Just cleats the piece, same day I pull 5 racks. Just cleats the piece, same day I pull 5 racks. This shit get crazy where I'm from. This shit get dangerous where I'm from. You ain't gon' make it where I'm from. You ain't gon' make it where I'm from. This shit get crazy where I'm from. This shit get dangerous where I'm from. You ain't gon' make it where I'm from.